G'day guys, we're here at our FluidKraft Open Day showcasing our partnership with our key suppliers. Let's go have a look around. We're here today with James from Stauff. Thanks so much for being part of the day.
Chris is our newest Stauff line system partner down here in the southwest.
Hi-Tec Oils is one of Australia's largest independent oil manufacturers. We also do offer a large range of product for industrial and mechanical workshop applications.
Taipan hydraulic hose systems are a matched system of one-piece hydraulic fittings, and all of our systems are tested to the highest industry standard.
So Macnaught have been around for 75 years. We're an Australian manufacturer and we offer all lubrication and industrial equipment.
HSA is Australia's #1 seal supplier. We're a really proud partner of FluidKraft.
Now that wraps up our FluidKraft Open Day. Thanks so much to all our suppliers for presenting today. We've had a great turnout and it's been an awesome day. Thanks so much.